Today, we're going to be talking about how you can make money with digital subscriptions. You'll learn 3 things. Number 1, what is a digital subscription? Number 2, we're going to be talking about how one company is making over $500K a month using digital subscriptions. Number 3, how this model can make you money. Number 1, how they work. Simply put, it's allowing people to pay you monthly for information or content. If you pay for Netflix, that's a digital subscription to video content. If you pay for access to information like Angie's List or Consumer Reports, that's a digital subscription. Email newsletters like The Hustle use things like Trends.co, that business model as well. What are the benefits for this kind of business? Depending on the content that you offer, it doesn't cost a lot to get started with this. Whatever you're interested in, you can leverage it in a way that can bring value to your subscribers. It's also flexible and will give you back the amount of work you put into it. Plus, if you have a specialty such as cooking, trading cards, something like that, you can start profiting off of a hobby or an expertise you already have. If you provide quality content in a niche that someone cares about, you're going to be making a lot of money. Number 2, let's look at a business that is making over $500K a month using this model. That company is called WorthPoint. It's an online subscription service revolving around collectibles and antiques. Their service includes 3 databases. 1, a guide to find the value of an object. 2, a search tool to help identify the object. And 3, a library of over 1,000 books and articles related to collecting art and antiques. This niche is actually a huge industry. A tool like WorthPoint can help people get the price that they deserve instead of selling them on eBay for less than they're worth. Originally, they relied on ads instead of a subscription model, but a combination of organic traffic and ads have helped them to widen their audience and find ones that are willing to pay for access to this wealth of information. The founders saw an opportunity to help people and offer them a valuable service. They were even able to grow during 2020 since they had good practices in place and maintained a focus on what they were offering. Number 3, how can you make money? It's all about focus. What's your specialty? Do you have access to certain information or content that people would love? Write down your interests and find your niche. In fact, in the comments section, let me know what you're thinking about doing. You know what's going to happen? It might surprise you. What subreddits are you active in? What are they asking questions about in that subreddit? Talk to people you know and be alert to what they might be struggling with. WorthPoint started partly because the founder's mother lost out on making tons of money on profitable items. He saw the problem was something that others were dealing with, so he moved on the chance to solve it. He didn't just offer information, he helped consumers and sellers to empower themselves in the marketplace. What are some problems you are seeing? Do you already have connections with a group of people struggling with the same issue or are looking for the same information? Again, write these things down. Then let's look at the tech. Once you decide on the content, you're going to have to decide, is it better to use a database or a newsletter? Sites like Notion or Google Sheets can let you create a database from scratch. In fact, if you want it to look a certain way, you can use something like Airtable as well. Integrating a simple form from Paperform can allow you to create a payment portal and control access to that database as well. If you like the email newsletter idea with curated information provided weekly, take a look at some email marketing platforms. Now, WorthPoint uses MailChimp, but I personally like ConvertKit because it has a ton of integrations, the way that it can tag different emails and the segmentation, I just love it. But you can also use platforms like SendFox because they can help you get started for basically for free, nothing. And you can get the LTD at AppSumo.com, you can get lifetime, you'll be all set. Above all, focus is key. If you find a niche and decide you're going to provide a comprehensive database of all Lego sets ever made, don't try to have cooking recipes the next week. However, if you see that maybe people are interested in Legos, but it's something very unique such as Lego instruction manuals, think about maybe pivoting that kind of information to make that specific kind of database. Make sure that you're thinking about what people are asking for and be ready to pivot and adjust, because that will help you keep your core audience satisfied and happy. Also, that will keep you paid, which means you can do this forever or a long time, as long as you wish. But it's focused on how you can help the community, and then you have that roadmap for success in the future. In the comment section down below, let me know what kind of niche you're interested in or what interests you plan to capitalize on. And regarding tech, let me know which one you choose, ConvertKit, MailChimp, SendFox. Let me know in the comment section down below. Again, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. We do this every single week.